Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how you can find the key to your song so you can use pitch correction plugins like Autotune, like Waves Tune Realtime. I want to show you a few different methods that I use. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions. Let's get into the video. Let's say that this is your track, you have the vocals in the session, you want that auto-tune effect on them, but you don't know the key. This is how the track sounds without any pitch correction.
Hey, if you got me, then I got you. If you ride for me, I ride for you. We can take our time.
I don't know the key of the track. Let's add auto-tune. If you have the wrong key, the vocals will sound really bad. Let's choose a random key, G minor.
Hey, if you got me, then I got you. If you ride for me, I ride for you. We can take our time, girl. Let's do something with.
Now let me show you a few different ways that you can use to find the key of the song. First method, auto key from Autotune Pro.
Hey, if you got me, then I got you. If you ride for me, I ride for you. We can take our time, girl. Let's do something with a vibe, girl. The way you looking.
Auto key suggested D major. Let's hear if it's the right key.
Hey, if you got me, then I got you.
Yeah, it's the right key. The next method, if you are a Studio One user, you already have Melodyne Essential. You just open Melodyne, on Windows is Ctrl M, change the algorithm to melodic, hit redetect. Now we have the pitch of the vocals detected, select all notes, correct pitch macro, snap to, and you will see the nearest key. Try that key and see if it works with your vocals. Next method, Nectar from Izotope. On the pitch module in Nectar you have key detection, hit key detection, play the vocal.
Take our time, girl. Let's do something with a vibe, girl. The way you look into my eyes, girl. Tell me no lie.
As you can see, we have D major in the suggested key list. In those suggested keys, you will find most of the time the right key. You just have to try it. In the end, you will find the proper key. The methods until now. Auto key from Antares, it's included with Autotune. Then the second method is a free one, if you're a Studio One user, by using Melodyne. The third one is by using Nectar. And now I want to show you a cool little plugin. When I recorded this video, the price for the plugin was €5, so that's I think $6, $7, something like that. HoRNet SongKey. This is the Mark II version. A really nice plugin if you want to find the key of your track. You can insert it on the vocals and let's see what key it detects.
Hey, if you got me, then I got you.
And right from the start we have D major. So that's pretty impressive. You can use this plugin on the beat. And again, D major, the main key estimation. As in Nectar, you have a few key suggestions and you have a percentage. If the main key doesn't sound that good, try the other ones and most of the time you will find the right key. These are the methods that I use to find the key of a song so I can pitch correct the vocals, so I can have that auto-tune effect. I really recommend getting this HoRNet plugin called SongKey MK2. Get it, it's cheap. You can find the key really fast without any hassle. It's just a simple plugin, just insert it on the beat, you will see the key estimation, try those keys, probably you'll have the right key for your vocals. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, join our Facebook group, it's called Mix Talk. See you guys next time. Cheers.